You want to say hi?
Hi.
I want to say hi too.
Say hi.
Hi.
Where's the camera?
Right there.
Oh, hi.
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 Okay, so I'm gonna be honest. Water slides are hard and I suck at them. So Cap Guy, I'm gonna have to figure this out, and it's not gonna be today. I ruined JT twice. I totally distorted him. His eyes disappeared. His mouth disappeared. I think his ears came off too. Yeah, I kind of killed JT. So I'm sorry. But anyway, I'm just gonna show you what happened and what I think happened. Okay. So what I believe happened was, whoa, see, here is a water slide. And that one just came off on its own because there was excess water on the table. And now I'm gonna show you. That looks way better than what I did before, because it did not look that nice. But see, I think what happened, but I'm gonna take this off because I'm not gonna keep that on there. If you can tell that the water is kind of tinged a purple color, this is JT. This is JT's ink. So this is another decal that I have for the Cap Guy, and I'm just going to show you what happens. So you just dip it in there, and you're supposed to be able to lift this up a little bit. Kind of just slide it off. But when I do that, it kind of smears it. So what I think I did or didn't do, I don't think I sealed it good enough. And I also just don't think that I'm very good at this right now. If anybody has ever done this before, please message me, because I am kind of hating it. And I don't want to hate something that could possibly be fun. But see, like, look at this. Cap Guy, I'm killing you too. I'm not a killer, I'm a lover. Maybe I just don't have a steady hand right now. But man, I just like destroyed that, like, for real. I'm way better with vinyl. This has the potential to be wonderful. JT had the potential to be wonderful. However, this is garbage. This is really horrible. I feel like I've lost my touch, but I just wanted to show you guys. I am not doing well with water slides. I'm just not. And I wanted to show you that I'm not. Here is my last one. I'm gonna show you. Let's see if I can get one. Oh my gosh. Maybe my YouTube channel could just be fails. Look, I failed. I think Andy Sameta likes YouTube fails. Here, Andy, this one's for you. I failed miserably. Look, fail. Okay. There will be more. There will be more. And they will not all be fails. I'm gonna make hats now because I know how to do those. But I love you all. I do. But I do not, I repeat, I do not love water slides. Not right now. Not right now. Okay. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.